All right, you guys, Jocelyn McClellan here. I'm so excited for this one because you are here. You have been searching for Mascara Beauty, and I am going to show you from start to finish. Now, one of the things that is so different is instead of going to a store, you're asking a crazy lady, that's me, to color match you so that you can get the right makeup for you. Mascara Beauty is one of the coolest things. It allows you to have all of your makeup, whatever size you want, into one compact, making it easy for you to just have a couple brushes, your regular eye mascara, and then you're good to go without having to have a big makeup bag. It simplifies your makeup to whatever you need it to be. So I'm gonna color match you. I'm gonna show you how it's done, okay? So the very first thing that you're gonna do is you're going to get color matched by facing a window. You face the window, you hold your arm straight out in front of you. Don't look down or anything like that. And don't forget to wash your lens. That is important so I can see the picture as clear as possible. Before you take that picture, don't forget to tap the screen so it's nice and clear. So clean that lens and tap that screen so that it is nice and clear. And you can smile if you want. You can either have your eyeshadow done or just a fresh face. The next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take that photo and you're going to go to my website. I'm gonna show it to you on a computer, but you can use this on your phone as well. When you go to the website, you're going to just take your photo, you're going to upload it, answer the couple questions that I have on there, and then you're gonna send it to me. Make sure you wait for the notification that says that it is confirmed. You're gonna get your color match between 24 to 48 hours. If you don't wait for that, I will not fully get it. The next thing you do is surprise, your makeup shows up at your door. It's gonna show up at your door, it's gonna come in a box, the tin lids are gonna be on, everything is gonna be separated out, and I'm gonna show you what that looks like. You're gonna take everything out of the box, you're going to set the tin lids upright on the table. You will let them sit if they are hot, which it depends on the time of the year, depends if they are or aren't. You're gonna set them on the table or in your fridge until they are completely dry. Do not slide those lids off. When it is ready, you are then going to open the tin lids and you're gonna put them in your compact in order. Make sure, if you can, that you keep the powders separated from the creams. When you keep them separated from the creams, it allows it, if heaven forbid that sucker falls and breaks, it's not going to jack up your makeup, and if a powder breaks, it's not gonna ruin those creams. So try and keep them separated. I like to keep mine in the order of like your highlights, which is your main foundation colors, then your contours, your blushes, your bronzer, however you want, and then however you choose to do your powders and your eyeshadows. The brushes come in the cutest little boxes. You will absolutely love them. We even have perfumes, milk moisturizers, and all that jazz. The coolest thing about this makeup is that you get to decide how much you want. If you want to have a basic face, you let me know that. If you're someone that doesn't want to contour, you just let me know that. And I teach you ways that you can do your makeup and have it look stellar without having you look washed out. The coolest thing about mascara makeup is, depending on how your tan changes or how you change, you can add lighter colors, darker colors, because we all have different coloring on our face. You can color correct areas that seem to bother you. You might have hyperpigmentation, melasma, anything like that, and this makeup can take care of it. So if ever I color match you and I give you like 2 or 3 highlight colors, which is AKA your foundation, don't be worried, don't be nervous. It's because we're customizing for all the beautiful colors in your face. You'll notice from your color match that I marked on your face. Before you go to pull out how to apply this makeup, you can look back at how I marked on your face, and you will see that I have the darker colors marked in white, and then I have the brightening colors marked in black, and that's gonna make a difference for your application too. You can watch this tutorial right here where I show the beginning hack, and you also will be getting this in an email from me. If you have any questions, let me know. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for you. I think you're absolutely going to love this. Again, Jocelyn McClellan. Find me on Instagram where I do more tutorials for you too and have it make more sense on jocelyn.mcclellan, if I didn't already say that. And then on Facebook, every Tuesday I do makeup tutorials. So Tuesday, makeup tutorials, hair tutorials on Thursday at Fit Mission Makeup with Jocelyn McClellan. Again, you guys, ring the bell, subscribe to this channel. If you need anything from me, I'm here for you. Take care.